Welcome back, and now I am getting ready to demonstrate the cheesy grits and shrimp recipe. So just for time constraint, I've already cooked up the grits. I did a 1/4 cup of grits, 1.5 cups of water, which you can see right here. I'm getting ready to add a cup of shredded cheese. And over here that I have cooking, I have my onions that I'm already letting them saute in the bacon grease. In the bacon grease. I did 6 strips of bacon that I'm going to top off on the shrimp. I'm going to add in two tablespoons of butter. I have a little extra in here just because I might want to add a little bit. You also want to add a little salt into your grits. Now, while that's settling, I'm going to switch over. Yeah, that's coming together very nicely. So I'm going to let that just settle a little bit. And we'll put the top back on it. And I'm going to switch over here to a pound of shrimp. And you know, like I always say, cooking can be messy. So you can choose what type of shrimp, what type of size shrimp that you may want. I like the colossal shrimp. I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And those were red onions that I had used when I was letting those cook into the bacon grease. A 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and just drizzle that all over there. I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. One teaspoon of garlic powder. I didn't add no salt on the shrimp because my mom is not really a salt person, and I just figured we would add salt on the shrimp to taste. So I'm going to let these cook. And it doesn't take long for shrimp to cook. Everyone knows that, I'm sure. And I'm going to swing back over here to my grits. Yep, they're very cheesy. So the cheese melted very nicely, as you can see. I know I'm doing a little juggling right here, but it's okay. We always juggle in the kitchen. Shrimp and grits. This is a meal that can be used for breakfast. You can cook it for brunch. You can cook it for dinner. It's just an easy, simple recipe. Smells so good. It doesn't take very long to cook. And all you just really have to do is just keep stirring the shrimp. And as you can see, they're turning orange, which means they're just about ready. So I'm going to turn this down on low. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and turn it off and just let the heat finish cooking them, because they're pretty much done. So now I'm getting ready to plate some shrimp and grits. Okay, so look at that. Then take some shrimp and top over your grits. I'm trying to be greedy. I'm looking for the fat shrimp. Then I'm going to take some bacon. And I get about 6 strips of bacon and just crumble them up. And then for my garnish, I use some green onion. And there you have it. Shrimp. Well, let me just repeat that. Cheesy grits, shrimp, topped with bacon, and green onions. Of course, I'm going to taste it in front of y'all. Don't get jealous. Delicious. I thank y'all for enjoying the program with me. I really enjoyed myself. Until we meet again, have a happy holiday. Thank you.